So the recent Pearson PTE language test updates are now gonna be that the templates of describe image and retail lecture would not be worked in the next or upcoming timings. Okay, so the Pearson update tells us that the new upcoming changes are all about that no scoring from the AI, artificial intelligence, but now this times the human intelligence will calculate your speaking scores and describe image and retail lecture task. So if the AI feels any of the confusion or problem, whether you have submitted your speaking scores in your speaking section or any of the speaking question, if AI feels any mistakes or problems or misfunctions or miscellaneous information, so it will check the twice your scores during the time, and the results will now be based on human intelligence in the particular two tasks. So the formats and templates will not work in the upcoming timing. So my only request is that they use your new IELTS related templates and not use your old template. This is a beautiful image and I have only 40 seconds to speak about this. From the image I can see this blah blah. This all are just garbage now, guys. So, as we know that the recent Pearson news, the templates are not gonna be work. So my only request to the students is the only one that please use your own templates, or you have to try something new templates, or you have to use some vocab words which are related to IELTS. Okay, the language proficiency must be higher, must needed to be higher now. Okay, and the pronunciation, speech clarity, that all the things will now matter 100% correctly. Okay, and the upcoming updates are now likely to be here to the writing section. The essay formats might gonna be changed in the upcoming times, right? So please keep in mind this news, stay updated, stay learning,